Want to know how to turn on data saver in Messenger so that if you're using mobile datas or Wi-Fi with limited connectivity, you can save them. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once you have opened it up, on the bottom right side you should be seeing something known as the menu. So get this simply selected, and now once you have selected menu here, you should be seeing settings on top that should be right below your profile. So just simply select settings, and now once you have selected settings, here you should be seeing various options popping up. So just simply scroll down a little bit, and as you scroll down, you should be seeing preferences, and right here, right below privacy and safety, you should be seeing data saver. So just simply select data saver and then select enable right here. It should be off, and just simply turn it on. And once that is done, your data saver will be turned on. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.